Welcome to Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat, a series presented by Physical Sciences Consultorium. Today's episode explores a game-changing tool of 21st century warfare, drones. From silent surveillance to deadly precision strikes, unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are transforming the very nature of war. Let's understand the different types of drones used in combat, and the strategic power they bring to the battlefield. Military drones can be grouped by their function, size, and range. First, by function, surveillance drones act as the eyes of the military. They monitor enemy movements and gather intelligence. Examples include the RQ-4 Global Hawk and Heron. Combat drones carry missiles and bombs. They can strike targets with deadly accuracy. Famous ones include the MQ-9 Reaper and Bayraktar TB2. Next, loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze drones. They hover in the air and crash into targets with explosive force. The Harp, Switchblade, and Lancet are prime examples. We also have electronic warfare drones, designed to jam radar and disrupt enemy communication systems. Now, by size and range, nano and micro drones are palm-sized, perfect for special operations in urban spaces. The Black Hornet Nano fits in a soldier's pocket. Tactical drones are portable and used in the field, like the Scan Eagle and RQ-11 Raven. Strategic drones operate at high altitudes for long hours, such as the Heron TP or the RQ-4 Global Hawk. Each type is tailored to a unique battlefield role, but together, they form a powerful aerial network. Drones are no longer just cameras in the sky. They now fight, support, and decide ISR missions, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, deliver real-time data to commanders, 24/7. Combat drones target terrorists, tanks, or installations, with surgical precision and minimal collateral damage. Some drones support ground troops by guiding artillery or airstrikes, and even carry supplies in hostile zones. Psychologically, drones create constant fear. The enemy never knows when or where a strike may come. Let's look at real-world conflicts. In the Nagorno-Karabakh War, 2020, Azerbaijan's use of Bayraktar TB2s and Harp drones wiped out Armenian tanks and air defense systems. In the ongoing Ukraine conflict, both sides used drones for attack and surveillance. Switchblade and Shard 136 drones have left lasting impact. Near the India-Pakistan border, drones are increasingly used for surveillance and suspected payload drops, adding complexity to an already tense region. These examples show that drones are not just tools. They are decisive actors in modern warfare. Why are drones so effective? First, no human risk. Pilots stay thousands of miles away. Second, precision. Modern drones strike exactly where they are told. Third, cost efficiency. They are cheaper to build and operate than fighter jets. And fourth, versatility. From forests to deserts to cities, drones adapt to any terrain. The future of drone warfare is evolving fast. Imagine drone swarms, hundreds of mini-drones working together to confuse and overwhelm air defense systems. Or autonomous drones, using artificial intelligence to detect and engage targets without human input. Even the oceans are seeing drone action, with underwater drones used in naval surveillance and mine detection. And yes, anti-drone drones are real. Systems that intercept and destroy enemy UAVs mid-air. We are entering an age where drones will fight drones. From surveillance to strike, from single units to swarms, drones are changing how wars are fought. In today's battlefield, the drone is not just a weapon, it is a strategic game-changer. You've been watching Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat, presented by Physical Sciences Consultorium. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.